everybody, welcome back. I'm back in the car on a mission, on a dash. I only have DoorDash open right now because, again, they have one of them challenges, 10 deliveries for an extra $20. So if I don't get any orders, then I will open up some of my other apps. But I want that extra 20 bucks. And I forgot to mention, we still have that $3 per order boost pay plus $1 peak pay. So it should be an additional $4 per order. So I should not see any $2, $3 orders, not even $4 orders. The lowest I should see is 6. This order has a little bit higher miles, but it's putting me in a good location. For other orders, repositioning.
We only have one roast chicken pepperoni.
Okay.
I mean, yeah, they want to do it. I want the one that has that same caramel great.
One eternity later.
Hello.
Sure not, hold on. She said there's going to be a DoorDasher coming. I said, here now.
Okay. There you go. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Today's not going as well as I was hoped. I'm not quite 2 hours in. I got another 20 minutes before I'm 2 hours in, but I'm sitting at $34, I believe. Not great. I only have DoorDash running, and I've got 3 out of my 10 deliveries towards my extra $20. And I've got an hour and a half. You moved. There we go. I've got an hour and a half left. An hour and a half left of this shift. Starting to think that maybe I made a mistake of just trying to do only DoorDash. And just as I said that, I got my next order in. I'm picking up at Burger King. It's $8 for 4.3 miles. Let's roll. Okay, so DoorDash has been really slow today. I mean, $42 in 2.5 hours. That's not where I want to be right now. So I launched Walmart Spark and immediately got a decent offer here. I'll put it up on the screen. That's the best offer I've had all day. I'm just waiting for my pickup time, which is in 3 minutes. So I'm sitting in a parking spot. I gotta head over to the pickup zone and grab a curbside pickup spot here in a moment. Something's going on here at Walmart. Prescription pickup. I really don't know what to expect next. I may not be able to record this drop-off. If I can't, then you will see my running total on this clip. Because I know on DoorDash I have to collect a signature for prescriptions. I'm not sure if I have to on Walmart. This is the first time I've ever picked up a prescription to deliver on Spark. That wasn't too bad. What I had to do is verify my identity, not once, but twice. Once when I picked up the script, and then once when I dropped it off. So now I think there must be trick-or-treating going on today. So I see a lot of kids out. But anyhow, I am off to get gas. And since I'm in Smithton, I am going to go back towards the truck stop and go to the truck stop where I get it $2.99 a gallon instead of $2.49 or $3.49 or $4.49, or $3.49, $3.59, $3.69. It's all over the board, but it's expensive. Except for at the truck stop. It's usually busy, but I'm towards the end of my lunch shift anyhow. So I'm gonna go get my gas. Okay guys, it is the next day. It is Sunday. I just felt like doing this in 2 days again because there wasn't enough footage for a video yesterday. And I'm late getting out, all kinds of issues with my furnace, waking up to it not blowing hot air, blowing cold air. Here's the filter. So today we are going to DoorDash for a set of good filters because I need them. You know, I got a Great Pyrenees and a Dalmatian, but I got a Great Pyrenees. Okay, I got my first order. We are heading to Walmart. 2 items. 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 2 ite This is one of them routes. It's 12 drop-offs for $50.89. I think I'll put the screenshot up. And it's pretty local to me. And this is going to take care of my filters and my computer payment. The rest of my computer payment. So that's 2 bills that's going to get knocked out just like that. A little bit of a pit stop. Crisis diverted. However, it set me back a good 10 minutes. I was going to have this done in less than 2 hours, but I'm over halfway through, and it's been I'm about halfway through, and it's been a little over an hour since I started. So, actually, I'm more than halfway through. And whatever. But crisis diverted, and we're going to go on to the next customer, which is 9 minutes away. A lot of people hungry at McDonald's today. I was tempted, but I knew I'd be searching for another restroom within an hour.
Then take
rolling down the Mon Valley, where the rivers meet the sky. Grandma's got the wheel and a sparkle in her eye. Walmart bags packed tight, she's got that sparking gear, bringing groceries to your door with a smile so dear. Oh, Grandma's dashing down those country roads with a heart so big and a truck that glows. From the hills to the towns, she's the talk of the land, delivering love with a steady hand. The sun shines bright on the old steel mills, but Grandma's got a mission, she's got thrills to fulfill. No mountain too high, no road too tough. She's got that Mon Valley spirit that's more than enough. Through the cold dusted mornings and the golden noon, she hums a sweet tune beneath the moon. Neighbors wave as she rolls on by, a modern day hero with a twinkle in her eye. Oh, Grandma's dashing down those country roads with a heart so big and a truck that glows. From the hills to the town, she's
I got another order, and it is $27.48, 4 stops, 11.3 miles. But I had to take a little break here. See that guy right there? I'm a sucker for horses. I had to say hello to him. Last Walmart run of the day, $12.52, 3 customers, 5.5 miles. Okay, I lied. One more. I couldn't resist. I could not pass this up. For $18.28, 7.5 miles roughly. And it's just a pharmacy pickup and drop off. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. I could deal with this kind of weather all year round, not the cold stuff.
I don't like it too cold.
I don't either. Hi, babies. Hi. Oh, hi, little ones. Oh, hi. I know the lighting's poor, but we've got my Willy burger and my onion rings. This is dinner, perfect way to wrap up this shift. It is that time, folks, to do the wrap up here. Saturday sucked balls, I swear. You know, I only made $56.79. Part of it's my fault because I didn't go back out. Okay. However, I drove 34.7 miles, which gave me $1.64 per mile. I was out for 2.5 hours, which gave me an hourly rate of $16.80. There was a time when I called that normal. Well, normal for a slow day. Average day, not weekend rate. And so there I did 5 DoorDash and 1 Spark. That last Spark order on Saturday is what really saved the day, kind of. On Sunday, today, actually, you know, a totally different story. $114.17. 66.4 miles. I was getting $1.72 per mile. I was out for 5 hours and 15 minutes, which gave me a whopping hourly rate of $21.75. That is much more acceptable. I aim for at least $20 an hour. That's what I try to get. What I consider slow, anything under $18 an hour, sucks. 17 starts sucking. 17 to 18 is like that. Acceptable, but sucks. Anything lower than 17, that's just flush the whole day down the toilet. Now, my grand total for the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, is $170.96. Drove 101 miles, 0.1 miles. Earnings per mile, $1.69 per mile. 7 hours and 45 minutes. My overall hourly rate for the weekend, I'm smiling at this, $22.05. And today, there was absolutely no freaking DoorDash. I launched DoorDash, then I got that Walmart order, and I shut everything down. I shut all the apps down. I had Walmart, Uber Eats, Instacart, DoorDash, all going. The whole rest of the day was all Walmart. Walmart has improved drastically over the past year in my market. But that's it for now, and I thank you for tuning in. Thanks for watching and riding along today. Every dash, every mile, it all adds up. Subscribe if you're chasing that hustle too, and I will see you in the next one.